Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening the right menu. Make sure you are unlocked and have your screen time or digital well-being pane accessible. If a passcode or account credential is needed, have it ready. Once done, tap Settings then Screen Time on iOS or Settings then Digital Well-being on Android. You do this now because these menus control restrictions and schedules. This first step puts you where changes are possible and avoids interruptions during the deeper steps that follow. You now remove active restrictions and limits. On iOS, tap Turn Off Screen Time and enter the Screen Time passcode to confirm. This disables app limits, downtime, and content and privacy rules. On Android, open Digital Well-being and disable Focus Mode, Bedtime, and App Timers, then revoke timers for individual apps. Make sure to check communication limits and always allowed lists so nothing reactivates limits. Once these toggles are off, the device returns to unrestricted use. But there's one more step. You finish by ensuring changes stick and handling common issues. If screen time was managed by family sharing, sign out or ask the organizer to remove restrictions. Otherwise, limits may reappear. Restart the device to clear cached policies and then test affected apps. If you're still locked out and you don't know the passcode, use Account Recovery for Apple/Google, or, as a last resort, restore the device from a backup after a factory reset. This recovers access, but use it only if other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.